Got a 92 gsxr750 tank I'm doing here. There's a dent on the black, I already fixed that, and then I'm just gonna clear the whole thing. I got a few shallow dents on that pink I gotta take care of. I gotta minimize it as much as I can because I don't want to get into those bluish purple stripes. Just a couple little shallow dents. A couple on that side, one on that side. When I sand this off, there'll hardly be anything there. They're real shallow. Got it sanded down with 180. Like I said, there's not much there. We'll get it primed up and then we'll get this pink painted. A little bit of primer on the spots and they're all sanded down, so we are ready to get the painting going. Getting ready to put the Suzuki decals on. I got these decals from Bonsai. And it has this outer part on it, holds the moisture in, so you got to let it sit for a while. I'll grab a rag and wipe off as much as I can. We just gotta do the other side. Got both sides on. So we're ready to prep it and get it cleared. Like I said, I got these from Bonsai. He offers some pretty nice decals. Got the 92 gsxr 750 tank all done. How crazy is the colors they had back in the 90s? That pink. Pink with that purple stripe. Dave at Bonsai Restoration came through and got me the decals. He's starting to carry quite a few decals for these bikes now. I got the rest of the bike to do, but I just went ahead and did the tank right away. If you made it this far through the video, I want to thank you for stopping by. I'm definitely no stranger to GSXRs. We do a lot of work on a lot of different bikes. This here's an 86 GSXR tank that we did. After this one, there'll be a 1991 gsxr 750 gas tank, and then a 2001 gsxr 1000, and then a 96 750. So if you're into that kind of thing, check out the channel. I'd appreciate it. Thank you.